Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check the amount of time you spend watching YouTube videos on your account on your mobile YouTube app. So this will apply for iOS and Android devices running the YouTube app. Please note that there are a couple of shortfalls with this. It's per account, so if you have different brand accounts, it's only going to be per brand account. And if you are signed out of your YouTube account and you're just browsing without being signed in, it's not going to keep track of that. So just keep that in mind. And with that said, we're going to go ahead and jump into it. So you want to start off by selecting the U icon, the bottom right corner of the YouTube app. So on this page, scroll down underneath where it says time watched, and go ahead and select that. And then it will give you a breakdown of how much videos or how much watch time you've watched in the previous 7 days. So pretty straightforward process on that. And if you scroll down, you can adjust some different settings here, such as autoplay, as well as bedtime and break notifications. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.